Welcome to the 2023 EBR Spring STEM Challenge Project Pitch Day. Did you know that in the United States, the total generation of municipal solid waste in 2018 was 292 million tons, or 4.9 pounds per person per day? Of this municipal solid waste generated, approximately 69 million tons were recycled and 25 million tons were composted. Together, almost 94 million tons of municipal solid waste were recycled and composted, equivalent to a 32.1% recycling and composting rate. An additional 17.7 million tons of food were managed by other methods. Other food management includes the following: animal feed, bio-based materials, biochemical processing, co-digestion, anaerobic digestion, donation, land application, and sewer wastewater treatment. But this doesn't make a dent into what ends up in landfills. In 2018, about 146 million tons of municipal solid waste were in landfills. Food was the largest component at about 24%. Plastics accounted for about 18%, paper and paperboard made about 12%, and rubber, leather, and textiles comprised of over 11%. Other materials accounted for less than 10% each. As it pertains to East Baton Rouge Parish, there are 2 landfills which services a population of 44,167 people in an area of 456 square miles. There is 1 landfill per 223,000 people and 1 landfill per 227 square miles. Landfills in East Baton Rouge Parish are solid waste disposal facilities that bury trash underneath layers of soil. The United States Environmental Protection Agency and Louisiana environmental agencies regulate and license East Baton Rouge Parish garbage dumps, sanitary landfills, and dump sites. One way to reduce the need for landfills and minimize their environmental impact is for individuals and communities to decrease the amount of waste they send to the landfill. In this challenge, you will leverage your STEM knowledge and ingenuity to turn waste destined for the landfill into socially responsible and sustainable products. Entrepreneurs are exploring ways to use waste destined for the landfill to build new products. Your challenge is to create a product for your school using existing waste items in a different way from their original purpose. You may also need to incorporate some new items, such as wiring and items needed to code depending on your grade level challenge. Your solution should use waste items that can be reused or recycled. It should also minimize environmental impact. And finally, it should have a neutral or positive net environmental impact. Each grade level and their band challenge is different as it pertains to difficulty. K2 is to create a piece of classroom furniture. 3-5 is to create a piece of playground equipment. 6-8 is to create an automated or manual hallway sweep machine. And finally, our 9-12 projects should create an automated or manual cafeteria waste sorter. Throughout this challenge, students have 3 major milestones. The first is the Day of Design, where students get to meet university and community partners to talk about their ideas and to gain insight on how they could improve their current designs and what they've been working on. The second is their digital folder submissions. This is where students all submit their project ideas to a digital folder for preliminary judging. After the preliminary judging, we decide who reaches the finals. And finally, Project Pitch Day, where students who were selected as finalists come together to pitch their ideas for their projects, usage materials, funding, etc., in a Shark Tank-like presentation. Welcome to the 2023 Project Pitch Day.